hearty congratulations to the 9 finalists who have made it to this far. And I'd like to, at the offset, thank the organizers of this event, Saregama Event Group, that took the initiative 2 years ago to start the Sur Sangharsh, which means hunt for the singing sensation. I believe with the key objective of promoting hidden talents in our country. So thank you, Saregama and Nilesh, to you and your team. Thank you very much for giving us this evening. I'd also like to thank the major sponsors for this year's event, because we all know without the financial backing, it is not easy to organize any event of such a magnitude. So thank you very much, Aveda and other sponsors that have contributed to make tonight a possibility. Ladies and gentlemen, Saregama has certainly done wonders over the years, and tonight we will again be witnesses to these great opportunities where we allow our young hidden talents to showcase the potentials that they have, and also to encourage other young people to be active, innovative, creative, and socially responsible citizens. I strongly believe that through this annual event, it has managed to groom and provide the performance platform to more than 50 young adult youths between the ages of 12 and 25 over the years. And I've also been told that some of these young youths have joined local bands and have been approached with lucrative contract deals and have been asked to perform with other prominent orchestras in Fiji. I understand that a recent contestant from this show is now a host for this show on MyTV. Please, I stand to be corrected there. Ladies and gentlemen, opportunities are endless, and it's only when you take that big step to the realization of your dreams that you will find yourself in field of golden opportunities that Fiji has, and also that are available abroad. Now, coming back to tonight's event, it's all about music, and I'm sure the good turnout this evening is an indication that you each hold music to your heart. Music is not only an art that produces widespread activities, but also constitutes the backdrop of remarkable emergence of professionals, especially young professionals, who can make a career out of this. I strongly also believe that music connects people and it creates opportunities for the enhancement of the art and talents. Whether you are a fan of Salman Khan's Baby Ko Best Pasand Hai, or you go back to devotional songs, whether you like Sufi or you like Bhangra, somehow all of us are music lovers. And tonight your presence is a clear indication that we all have music to heart. Personally for me, music very much connects me to the people that I love. It helps me de-stress, and it is a very important part of my daily work. Traveling to work, I turn to music to start a good day. Coming back home, I turn to music to de-stress. And I'm sure there are many of you, your feet start stepping, you start clapping, and your body automatically moves when you hear music. Indian music and song traditions have always had an open door to the surrounding world. Artists and young music and song students have gone abroad to study and to be introduced to other traditions and cultures. Today's generation of adolescents and youth stands at 1.8 billion, the largest our world has ever seen. Most of these young people live in developing countries. People often say that today's youth are tomorrow's leaders. However, in a world full of social, political, and economic challenges, there's a lot that we can do to help our youth make an identity and a name for themselves. And tonight's event is just a clear indication of the support that young people in Fiji are given through such platforms. Ladies and gentlemen, the energy, enthusiasm, and innovation of the large youth population that we have can bring a huge demographic dividend to our country and to our world. However, to get dividends, one has to invest, and for youth, that means investment in education, skill training, and in all other services which widen opportunities. The Fijian government is very much committed to promoting youth development activities, and we have allocated a large budget not only to the Ministry of Education, but also to the Ministry of Youth. With a sum of 52.5 million allocated for tertiary education loan schemes and topper scheme, we are trying to encourage more and more youths to progress to higher education. And I urge young people to use this toppers scheme and the education loan scheme to progress well in life, to alleviate poverty from their families, and to give back to the community and the nation that youths are capable of giving back. Ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, the establishment of vocational technical colleges in Fiji also prepares young people for other markets. And I urge young people to make use of these opportunities to digress from the norms that all go for, to find out hidden skills and talents, to develop their skills and set timely and set ultimate goals for the holistic development of not only themselves, but the country as a whole. And coming back to the evening, this is one platform that provides such an opportunity for our young people, especially those who have talent and have an interest in music. To the parents, I urge you to support your children if they would wish to deviate from normal studies to enhance their musical talents. Please give all the support. And we definitely want to see the youth population to be genuine leaders of Fiji tomorrow. And we need to create that environment for them. I'm sure you'll agree with me, not all our youths can become academics or politicians, doctors or lawyers. But when the hidden talents in them are encouraged in a positive and a friendly environment, the results are going to be successful. And it is equally important that artists come to share their culture at home, and the platform this evening, the Sur Sangarsh Hunt for Singing Sensation Season 3, provides just that opportunity. Music, singers and all the audience will get acquainted with the new talents from all over our country. And again, if I may say, the Fijian government continues to encourage young people to stand on their own feet, as we do not want you to be depending on us. In fact, we want you to rise to higher levels. And we will continue to work with our partners, stakeholders and organizations to help our younger generation rise to greater heights. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you're eager to hear from the 9 participants this evening. So once again, let me convey my heartiest congratulations to all those young talents who will be contesting here tonight. I know it's not an easy task to be a performer. You may have encountered many challenges to where you are today. You should be proud of yourself, proud of the support that you got from your friends and your parents, and proud of yourself. Even if you do not make it to the finale, at least believe that you gave it your best shot. You took the challenge and made it happen. To those of you that will be eliminated from this round, just remember, we all can't be winning, but we can be good at trying. I'm sure this evening's celebrations will give a strong endorsement of what you have achieved so far, and I hope you can celebrate that you were part of such an important event. And to the 6 finalists who will make it to the grand finale, congratulations and all the best in advance. And to all the fans and the supporters that have turned out here this evening, thank you very much for the support that you have given to this event. And we look forward to similar support during the finale. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a pleasant evening, and may music be the winner tonight. Thank you.